Hello guys, this is Silam here. Today I'm working on a 2001 Mercury sable. I will be replacing the V belt, and this is the same procedure as 2001 to 2005 for Taurus. So what I did is just put a 15mm bolt down there, and I will turn it clockwise, as you can see, to release the tension on the belt, and then I will remove the belt. Okay, it's coming off. Make sure that you take picture before doing this, so you know how to put it back later on, or you can go online and Google it to see the diagram. And just like that, this thing is off. This belt is quite important. The issue I was having on this vehicle is the steering wheel is a little tight, so, and the belt was making a lot of noise, so I figure it has to be replaced. That's the belt. It's off now. You can see a lot of crack. Yeah, a lot of crack. It's quite old, so, well, that's a procedure to replace it. And to put it back, just the same thing. You release the tension, and then you just put it back exactly like you replace it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.